Navy is, the Chinese Navy is directly involved, at least in this case, sa paghaharap sa mga vessels natin. Is this any reason for concern on our part? Are they escalating?
As of now, in the absence of clear information, I would treat it muna as an isolated incident na nag-miscalculate yung kapitan ng barko ng Navy vessel nila. Unless we see a repetition of this type of tactic in succeeding incidents in the future, then we can treat it as an isolated incident for the time. But it doesn't mean na magre-relax tayo.
Yes,
we
sir.
may have to look at we have to consider some contingency planning of our own para to check if we may need to adjust. It doesn't mean na pag nag-review tayo ng ng konsepto ng pag-operate sa West Philippines ay i-escalate natin yung situation. Ang sinasabi ko lang naman, wala namang masama kung nagpe-prepare ka at meron kang contingency for incidents na kung sakali man magkaroon ng escalation in the future.
Sir, kasi sabi nga natin kanina, before the Navy would stay over the horizon. Now, at least in this incident, they're just over the bow or over the stern. Striking distance.
Tsaka Admiral, in relation sa tanong ni Ed, merong dumating na 2 American battleships dyan sa area. Hindi rin ganun kadalas na nangyayari yon sa Scarborough?
Ang tingin ko, coincidence yun. Most likely, yung dalawang US Navy vessel was already in the vicinity of Luzon Sea. Okay? Nakapasok na sila. So, most likely, they have a scheduled FONOPS or Freedom of Navigation Patrol within the South China Sea. Then, nire-route siya sa vicinity na Scarborough Shoal for the purpose of, I would presume, sa pananaw ng Amerika, their presence would sort of de-escalate yung situation doon sa Scarborough Shoal.
So, hindi totoo yung spin ng Chinese government na dinrive away nila yung isang US battleship sa Scarborough. It's just a spin.
Consistent naman yung ganyang narratibo, yung propaganda line naman They use that for every FONOPS o Freedom of Navigation Patrol ng US Navy in any areas o any within the South China Sea. Laging gano'n naman yung narratibo nila. FONOP, though it was a transit na patrol doon sa vicinity na Scarborough Shoal.
Saka dininay na yun ng US government. Ang yung latest ngayon, Admiral, masyadong napapalapit na yata